This is the solution to problem number 99 on homework 1.5. We're given that the volume of an oblate spheroid, which is like a football shaped thing, is V equals 4/3 pi a squared b, and we're supposed to solve for a. This is called a literal equation, and we're just going to isolate the variable a in this equation. So since we're multiplying by 4/3 on the right hand side, and we want to undo that, let's multiply both sides of the equation by 3/4, the reciprocal. That will leave us with 3b over 4 is equal to pi a squared b. The next thing we want to do in isolating a squared is to eliminate the pi over b. And rather than dividing by pi over b, I'm going to multiply by 1 over pi over b, which works better when I have fractions on the left side of the equation. So the pi over b's cancel out on the right side of the equation, and on the left side we have 3b over 4 pi b is equal to a squared. In order to isolate a squared here, we're going to need to extract square roots. So we're going to take the square root of both sides, and that means a is equal to the square root of 3v. I'm going to take the square root of the numerator divided by the square root of the denominator, which is 4 pi b. Normally we need plus or minus, but a is a dimension of this spheroid, so we only want the positive value. I'm going to continue simplifying this. So I have the square root of 3v, the square root of 4 is 2, so over 2 times the square root of pi b. And now I need to rationalize the denominator, so I'm going to multiply by a funny form of 1, which is the square root of pi b over the square root of pi b, so that a is equal to the square root of 3v pi b over 2 pi b.